So hello, we just arrived here at Nawa Wellness in Calatagan. So it's my day off and I will be relaxing and I will be trying their wellness resort and I'm super excited. So join me as I do the Nawa retreat and Nawa experience. Hello. I'm excited to relax. Day of the mom. Day of the mom. Oh my God. Welcome. Gio's friend. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Kasi yung aso ko is okay, that's you pala.
Yeah, I know I'm with my people.
Okay. From where? Well, I came from Tagaytay, pero I live in yeah, an hour away. So, oh my gosh, ang ganda. So this is my room, which I love so much. It's gonna be alone time for me. So meron kami mga scheduled activities that we're gonna be doing right now. So join me today as we do all the activities that would help us relax and feel at peace. And siguro excited ako kasi ang dami namin gagawin for just 2 days. And you can also experience this here at Nawa Wellness. And I'm just gonna show you the giveaways. Ang dami nilang pa freebie. So this is where we put all of this bag where we can put everything. So again, I'm here in Nawa Wellness in Calatagan to do a 2-day retreat. So come join me as I do their special retreat here at Nawa. And you can relax and also enjoy the mountains, the fresh air. Medyo feeling ko nasa Bali ako. Ganun yung feeling niya. I may be away from my family, but I'm pretty sure kailangan ko lang to slow down and to enjoy a little bit. So we're here now, and our first activity is the introduction, or what they call the briefing with Sir Jonathan for all the retreat activities that we're gonna do today. So yan, we're in the pedicab now, and we're going there. Somewhere there.
So curious, I went inside. I found out the serenity with very calm music.
Ng art sa sarili nyo na kung ano yung magagawa yung art na para gawin in yourself.
We're gonna make our own mandala flower art to represent our friendship.
Yes, our newfound friendship.
Si Okay, so yan. We're now here at Dalisay for our snack. Hi, Chef.
Hello, hi.
Ayan, so they prepared this for everybody. Yum, yum. Oh my gosh. So yum. Okay, serving our afternoon tea with Nika. Tea party. Tea party. Ayan. So I requested for raspberry tea with hibiscus, lemon, and honey. Maraming salamat. Salamat po.
And please enjoy this along with our Nawa Classic tea selection as you take in the come of the afternoon. So maraming salamat.
Good day, everyone. I'm sorry I can't be with you in person today, but I'm very happy to join you virtually ceremony. And many people know me first and something very important. The farmer take and come back stronger. And over the years, I realized this applies to life just as much as it does to sports.
8 billion souls thinking 90,000 thoughts a day, 90% of which is negative. Imagine the storms.
Do the questions one at a time. We will stop, put your pens down, and then we will proceed to the next question together.
So we just finished our journaling and first positive mind seminar with Coach Jonathan. So I'm on my way back to the villa to get ready for my Kawa Bath. So yeah, it's a bit high but nabusog ako sa sarap ng food. I have to get ready. Kawa Bath, and then after that we have dinner and then I'm ready for my Kawa Bath. So, this is my day right now. And my next activity will be the Kawa Bath. So, anong benefits ni Kawa Bath? Kung active ka, it will help remove the swelling and help your muscles relax. So, let's do it.
Soy family po our viewers. So, pasilan naman po.
So, it's time for my Kawa Bath.
Relaxing tayo.
This is filled with flowers, so it smells so good because it's infused with lavender oil. It's so relaxing and it's antioxidant and also it removes the sore of your muscles, which is perfect for me because I've been golfing. So it's so good. It's 45 minutes. Init, relaxes your muscles. And I love the scent of the flower with the lavender oil.
Maestro. So, hindi talaga ako sanay magsalita, no? Sanay lang.
sa akin. Ito dapat pala sa very good.
And so we just finished our dinner. I'm now going to our massage. May pala. Bakit our? May massage. Magandang araw. Massage time. Dito po. Getting massage with ate. And we're gonna do the Haplos Massage.
This is the beautiful massage room.
So sa start kami po, like a cooling eucalyptus ate. So,
Up. Yes,
so I'm gonna get the massage here at Nawa Wellness. And ating gagawin natin Haplos Massage. It's yoga and yeah. Thank you. So this is our breakfast. It's so healthy. We have here the sea bass, kale, and vegetarian cheese omelet. And then we have the shot of chia oats. It's super, super fun. This is my breakfast date. Ayan. Ayan. I just finished my dry sauna here at Nawa Wellness. Sarap.
Nabitin. Oh, yeah. No?
So again, welcome to our earthly or grounding usually a lot through hindi kasi
Wala pala akong hawak. Sabi ko.
Yeah, it's a fresh one. Yeah.
Aura, having fun, catching up with friends. Oh my god.
Here's my blessing for today. May delight walk beside you as you grow, and may you be reminded that life well lived is woven with threads of ease, play, and sincere enjoyment.
If you are looking for a place where you want to reset, inner healing, want to transform, and just get in tune with nature and yourself, please check out Nawa Wellness here at Calatagan. Super worth it, and it's an experience that most people don't know that we have here in the Philippines. Some other people pumupunta pa ng ibang bansa just to do this wellness and retreat. Now we have it here in the Philippines, so if you wish to do retreats, inner healing, transformation, and get in tune with yourself. If you wish to try Nawa Wellness, please check out their Instagram, their Facebook, their TikTok. They're everywhere. If you want reset for your mind, body, and soul, I'm sure that Nawa Wellness is a perfect place for you guys. So again, check out Nawa Wellness and get ready to be transformed, healed like me. Thank you, Nawa.